The Trial of Lucy Letby podcast is a series dedicated to exploring the complexities of the criminal justice system through one case, the trial of Lucy Letby. The podcast follows the highly publicized trial of the British nurse for alleged murder of 8 babies and attempted murder of another 6. Hosted by journalist and criminologist Ingrid Aquino, it provides in-depth coverage with interviews from witnesses, medical experts, and members of the legal team. It highlights the legal proceedings and the social and ethical contexts behind the case, including the public opinion of Letby and the media coverage she has received. It emphasizes how the British public handles such an extreme case and how public opinion is shaped by the media. The podcast's main focus is to explore the legal proceedings and the potential consequences for the accused as well as the impact it can have on the relatives of the victims. The Trial of Lucy Letby podcast gives a unique insight into how the criminal justice system works, and the difficulties it can present to witnesses and the defense of those accused of serious crimes. It also questions the impact it has on the lives of those involved and issues such as the right to a fair trial and the ethical dilemma of the death penalty. With in-depth analysis and never-before-heard evidence, it explores the important topics associated with this case. Each episode offers a new perspective on the trial and features interviews with a wide array of experts and people involved in the trial. It provides listeners with an understanding of the issues that arise from high-profile cases, and the complications they can cause. The podcast's episodes are extremely informative and entertaining, while remaining unbiased and informative. The Trial of Lucy Letby podcast is a must-listen for anyone interested in criminal justice and open to an in-depth exploration of its complexities. It offers a thought-provoking look at the complexities of the criminal justice system and the impact it can have on individuals and society as a whole. It investigates the ethical dilemmas that can arise from a case like this, the social implications of it and its potential consequences. The case of Lucy Letby has provoked public debate, and this podcast provides an unfiltered look into the sometimes difficult questions it raises. Through the eyes of a legal team, witnesses and victims, the podcast helps to provide a better understanding of the process of criminal justice in British official courts. With an eye on the future, it investigates the possible consequences and implications of this case for both the accused and the public who are involved and affected. The podcast offers a wide range of topics including legal processes, the ethical issues on trial and the varying public opinions which are so often wrapped up in a big case such as this. It is an invaluable source of information for anyone interested in learning more about this complex and highly publicized trial. It raises important questions, provides insights and encourages further debates around the handling of such cases. A fascinating series, the Trial of Lucy Letby podcast offers an informative look into the criminal justice system and the various perspectives that come into play during a high-profile case. It is an incredibly deep and honest investigation into this case that delves into the complexities of this legal matter. The podcast provides an in-depth look at the legal and ethical issues surrounding the criminal justice system in a compelling and educational manner. The Trial of Lucy Letby podcast offers insight into the ongoing conversations surrounding the legal proceedings, whilst also raising the important issue of media bias.